See, like even that door on the side, I could see it's open. Then you realize, after you've been there, you realize, oh wait, there's literally a door that's literally on the back that's wide open too. So that's new. It's like, looks like someone propped it shut.
Oh, nice.
You can still go in from that way though. Yeah.
We get down there way faster.
Ooh, yeah, try not to slip like I am. Yeah. Here it is. It's still kind of dark in here even during the day. I love this door right here. Yeah, it was that door that we got out.
Right.
Which is weird. It looks like someone propped something up against it from the outside.
Cool.
I don't know what good that would do, but...
They did a good job.
Oh, yeah. There's like this garage area. Oh, I remember this too. They put a fucking rake right here, which is like, I guess, would that stop it from opening? Or did someone just put it there just to be silly? I don't know either. That's weird.
That would work that way.
I don't think there's no basement to this place because, I mean, the floor is dirt after all. There's whatever this is, the bathroom, I guess. Oh yeah, this is the bathroom. That would explain the toilets and the urinal.
No.
No way. Oop. It's like a sack of water. I think I remember this. And then there's some upstairs to it. Oh, I was like, how'd the snow get in here? There's literally a hole in the roof. That's funny, it's literally just collected in that one little spot right there. There's another bathroom like here, kind of. No, it's just a sink. It's just a sink. That's, I think, what confused me. Was the fact that there's just a room with a sink. Oh, yo, okay. That's where I took the picture of Kyle in that room. I thought he looked a little spooky. But that's another thing too, is right here. These doors last time were open, I think, too. Oh, someone shoved that up in there. I guess that would keep it from just blowing open, maybe. Yep. Here's where Kyle stood. Right through the floor.
Spray paint some of the Lego pieces on the wall.
That's what it looks like, yeah. I don't know what this building used to be though. I like these big windows and stuff though. I don't know how the fuck this got open though. Like who the hell opened this up? Like when I saw it from the road, I thought it looked like it was only maybe open at like the top kind of. But actually maybe it's more open because I feel like it wasn't this open last time. Like this door right here was more like shut. You kind of had to like squeeze through. Maybe it looked like someone tried to nail it shut with that board. I don't know. Yeah. Just gotta dig deep. Helps to not have gloves. He took the harder route, I think. I know, don't you love that?
Oh god.
I'm always happy I'm not like 1,000,000 pounds. Like, you can grab the tiniest tree branch and make it up.
I kept repeatedly trying to go your way, and it's like, I don't think I'm gonna do it anymore because it was so slippery.
Yeah, it always sucks because like you gotta like, I don't have gloves on, so I have to like dig my fingers into the actual ground to pull myself up.
Right.
And it works, I guess.